Ever found yourself stuck in a cycle of procrastination? Maybe it's an unanswered email, a messy desk, or a task you've been pushing off for days. The more you delay, the bigger the task feels, right? What if I told you there's a simple trick that can break this cycle instantly? Introducing the 2-minute rule, a super effective strategy to stop procrastination and boost productivity immediately. The 2-minute rule is simple. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This idea was made popular by David Allen, the author of Getting Things Done. His philosophy: small tasks accumulate and clutter your mind, creating unnecessary stress. But if you handle them right away, they never get the chance to pile up. Example: let's say you just got an email that requires a simple reply. Instead of letting it sit in your inbox for days, answer it now. It'll take less than 2 minutes. That way, it's off your plate and out of your mind. Okay, but why is this rule so effective? 1. Eliminates mental clutter. Unfinished tasks take up mental space. Even if they're small, they add up. Completing them immediately frees your brain for more important work. 2. Builds a habit of taking action. Procrastination is often a habit, but so is action. The more you do things right away, the easier it becomes to stay productive. 3. Prevents small tasks from becoming big problems. A simple 2-minute task today can prevent a mountain of work tomorrow. Think about cleaning your workspace. 2 minutes every day prevents a total mess at the end of the week. Now you might be thinking, 2 minutes? That's too short to make a real impact. But trust me, applying this rule consistently makes a huge difference. Here are 5 easy ways to use the 2-minute rule every day. 1. Answer. Quick emails and messages. Instead of letting emails sit unread, respond right away if it takes less than 2 minutes. 2. Clean as you go. Wipe your desk, put away dishes, or organize files before clutter builds up. 3. Make quick decisions. Need to confirm an appointment? Just do it instead of thinking about it later. 4. Plan your day. Spend 2 minutes listing your top priorities every morning. It sets the tone for a productive day. 5. Take small steps on big projects. Got a huge task that feels overwhelming? Spend just 2 minutes starting it. Often, starting is the hardest part. Now here's a bonus trick for you. Sometimes we procrastinate because a task feels too big. Enter the 2-minute starter rule. If a task seems overwhelming, commit to just starting it for 2 minutes. That's it. You'll often find that once you start, you naturally keep going. Example: instead of saying, I have to work out for an hour, just commit to stretching for 2 minutes. Once you start, you'll likely continue. So let's recap. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. This reduces mental clutter and keeps your to-do list manageable. Small tasks done immediately prevent bigger problems later. Use the 2-minute starter rule for big tasks. Just begin, and momentum will follow. Now it's your turn. Try the 2-minute rule today and see how it changes your productivity. Like this video? Give it a thumbs up. Comment below what's a task you've been procrastinating on. Subscribe for more productivity hacks.